Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today we are working on something that I've never worked on before, and that is a Volkswagen Up, VW Up. Not my car, customer's car, and basically the clutch is just on the edge of failing, like literally. It is hanging in there, like, yeah, it's not good. So we'll be doing that today, starting today, see how far we get. I've not done this before, so I'm going to be looking backs and forwards on the computer and sort of getting some sort of information, some data, stuff like that, just to sort of help me and push me along and see what it is like. But yeah, let's get cracking. Let's do this. Right, so guys, Volkswagen Up, clutch is bad. Yeah, I've struggled to drive it in here. It just sounds horrendous. It's done a lot of miles, this car, as well. A lot of miles, but you can hear when I put my foot on the noise it's making. Yeah, it's bad. That engine's a bit squeaky. I think that's just the belt. Yeah, that auxiliary belt needs a good change, I tell you. But yeah, we're here. It's in the workshop for a clutch because it sounds horrific. So that is what we're doing. 151,000 this is done. That's crazy. For a little engine as well, I think it's a little one litre. I think so. But yeah, we're basically going to get this gearbox out. I think it's a little tiny gearbox. I don't think it's that bad. But yeah, I've never done this before, so we're going to get cracking with it and get this gearbox out and see how bad and what damage is in there. So let's get set up, guys. Yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, guys, we are definitely getting there with this one. It's a very, very tight engine bay. I've got to be honest, there's not a lot of room. And I'm just trying to follow step-by-step instructions that I found. And yeah, it's going all right. It's not too bad. We're just getting to the, just in there, I just showed you that. Getting into the starter motor, which is just there. That's the starter motor. And then underneath that, you've got the reservoir slave cylinder for the in. So yeah, we'll be undoing that as well. See what's going on there. But this, you can smell it, like the clutch, the burning clutch from this, it stinks. It proper stinks. So yeah, we will find out what is in there, what is going on. I'm assuming that it's going to be like completely nothing, or destroyed or whatever. But yeah, we are getting there. I'm happy with the process and the progress really on this one. So let's continue. Most of the underneath of the bolts are undone. Both drive shafts are out, gearbox oil's out, and a lot of the bell housing bolts have all come off as well. So there is only like sort of maybe 1, 2, 3 or 4 bell housing bolts, the starter motor, and the sorry. I'm thinking about other things whilst I'm talking to you guys as well. The release bearing, not release bearing, the thrust bearing, slave cylinder. That's what I'm trying to think of. God. So yeah, but we need to support the engine on that side, so we can sort of, put another jack to support the gearbox, and we're going to drop that down. It's not a massive gearbox, but it's still big enough, really. Still going to be, quite heavy, really, sort of just try and handle. So I will use the jack to remove it and get it off. So, yeah, let's continue. Let's do this. Right, finally, guys. Absolutely, it's out. Oh, but surprise, surprise. Yeah, that release bearing is literally down to the last little shred of metal that is worn down really bad. So that was a matter of time, really. Any time now, that was gonna give way and absolutely disintegrate. And then the clutch itself, no surprise, down to the rivets, right down to the rivets as well. So, yeah. So there we go. That is the old one completely out. And we're going to fit a new clutch, new 3-part clutch. It's all going to get cleaned out. We're going to change it over. We're going to clean up the actual flywheel, which is, it's not that bad, that flywheel. It's just been, it's just been worn down really a little bit. So that just needs just a little clean up around that flywheel there. And then we're going to get the new clutch fitted. And then basically just the reverse, gearbox back in, and then build it all back together. So that's it for part 1. I'm going to leave it there. We've got the gearbox out, so that's the kind of hardest bit now. Now we're on the back foot, and we're going to sort of start getting it all cleaned up, new one in, and refit it. But it's not a big gearbox. Look at it, it's tiny little gearbox. It's quite light. But I still use the jack to help me release it. But yeah, we're there. So that's part 1 done. And that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in part 2, where we're gonna refit everything back in place and button it all back up. But not bad for a first time on a Volkswagen Up, and it absolutely stinks. That gearbox, that clutch, just reeks. It is stinking bad. So yeah, there we go. Right, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.